Aware that JAMB has opened the portal for uploading of your O-level result. When we mean O-level, we mean your WAEC result, your NECO result, your GC result, any of them that you are using as your O-level. But then I've gotten a lot of you complaining that maybe you just wrote your exam, you just wrote your WAEC, and your result is not out yet. So what are you going to upload? So this is the message for you. For all of you that use awaiting result, you need to calm down. There is no reason to be afraid. There's no reason to pay anybody any money to do any manipulation for you. There's absolutely no need to panic, right? Once your O-level results are out, by August, ending of August, we're expecting that WAEC result will be out, right? Or even NECO result. Just anytime that WAEC, NECO, or GCE result is out, you will have access to the upload portal. That portal will still be available for you to upload. So everybody just chill, just stay calm, just relax, right? You will be able to upload once your result is out. The portal will remain open for you. I mean, between now and August ending, you should be able to have your result with you if you just wrote your JAMB, wrote your WAEC or NECO or GCE and all the rest. Remember also that if you have been trying to upload your O-level result on the JAMB portal and you are not able to do that, if you want me to help you, just let me know in the comment section. Or you have been trying to access your CAPS and it's not going, feel free to let me know and I will help you to do that. Of course, it's not free. I will pay one of our guys that do it and it will be done for you, right? So go ahead, like this video, share this video, click on join if you have not joined our YouTube channel. Then we have done a lot of videos for you on your post-UTME. I will share it on the screen. That is the video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.